This Airsoft GI-TV episode is brought to you in part by G&G Armament, Echo One USA, and TSD Airsoft. Airsoft GI-TV is brought to you in part by Sistema, Mad Bull Airsoft, and JBU Airsoft. This public service announcement is brought to you by Airsoft GI and Condor Outdoor. What's up, GI-TV? This is just a quick reminder to always have fun when you're playing Airsoft, but be safe, use common sense, and always follow the law. Don't take your Airsoft guns out in public, especially not to school. You don't want to be the one that gets Airsoft banned for everybody now, do you?